Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eve and welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to be trying out a new box for you. I'm going to see if it's worth it to unbox every month, and at the end of the video I'm going to let you know if that's what I'm going to be doing. Now the box I decided to choose is the November Slay Glam Box. I spent $24 on this, and dude, I like how this looks like a purse. That is one of my favorite things how this box looks. Now, first things first, if you are not subscribed, it'd be freaking amazing if you would. And then you know all the rest of the stuff. You hear everybody saying what else you could do. If you do that for me, that would be amazing as well. Now I want to talk about a few things. The first thing, I'm going to be making a change on my channel. Some of you reached out to me and said, my cussing that I do on my channel makes you feel uncomfortable. I never want to do that. Yes, I cuss like a sailor. I'm going to try to stop that altogether, but I am human. I may slip up, but I'm really going to try to curb that because I want you guys to feel safe here and comfortable, and I'm sorry for anybody I offended by my cussing. The second thing, you saw that the last video I did not post anything. My last day I was supposed to, and what happened was I recorded like normal, and then I went over, put in my computer to edit, and my computer crashed. It corrupted my memory card, so all my footage was gone. I was so irritated by that, but it gets worse. So I go over, reboot everything, still my computer was acting up. So from 7 to, I think when I finally got done, it was close to 4 in the morning. And when I pulled my computer up, every video I have done on here was gone. So the total amount was 140 videos. I was so crushed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was like, is this a sign? I need to stop doing this. I mean, it hit me hard. So I was depressed for a few days. I reached out to you guys on the community page and told you just some of it, what was going on, because I wasn't sure if I was going to come back on. But after thinking long and hard, I don't want to separate from you guys. I want to keep doing this. I'm not going to let that get me down because I had a string of bad luck. 1 week, a hurricane hit. I lost power. I wasn't able to record, load anything. Then I think it was the following week, I go over and get such a bad migraine. I get episodes and they can last quite a few days. So that stopped me from loading. Now this week, that's what happened. So they say bad luck comes in threes. Hopefully I'm done with it. I'm sorry for all those times I did not post, but there's nothing I can do about it. I did order an external hard drive because I talked to a techie. They are one of my friends, and he gave me good advice about getting the external hard drive. So at least everything would be backed up, but you can't plan for this technology. You think that you got it down and then it kicks you right in the rump. So with that, let's go ahead and show you what I got in my box. Now, the first thing that I got was 2 lipsticks. So this is by the Beauty Crop, and it's 2 metallic lipsticks. It's called Metallic Girl Power Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick. And you get 2 shades. The first one is Bellini. That is like a nude shade. And then you get like a ruby color, and that one is called Royale. So let me get these centered for you. I want you to see all the way around. So I think I did that right. So I am wearing the Bellini as a topper. So what I did is I just put it on and then I tapped it out around my lips. Now the secret with this, because I have been using it for a couple of days, is put it on and then leave it alone for about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Because if you fuss with it, if you blot with it, it's going to mess it up and you're going to have issues with the lipstick. So just leave it alone. Now let's go ahead and show you the shades on it. So this first one, By My Wedding Ring, is Bellini, and then the second one is the Royale. Really like these lipsticks. And the second item that I got is going to be a lip liner. And this one is a bit dry for me. I like a creamier lip liner because I have dry lips and that's what works for me. But this is a very nice pencil. And this is by B. Bella and it's called the Lip Perfection Pencil. And it's in the shade 24 Glam. So what I'm going to do is right underneath the lipstick swatches, I'm going to put this lip liner. And I am wearing this today as well. I've worn it a few times. And like I said, it is a nice lip liner. Okay, so the third item we got in the box is a kit. And this really surprised me because none of my boxes did you get a kit like this. And I have tried some of the items, so I have some opinions about it. So this is the Bella Pierre Eye Look Essentials and the shade Purple Storm. I mean, this just wowed me that you got a kit in here. You can probably see it better like this. So the first thing, let's start with the eye primer. So here is, and this is really nice. You do have to use a brush to swirl in there, put on your eyes, and then I just blot it out with my finger. And I like this a lot. This is a good eye primer. Now the second thing is a palette that you get. And it is a 4-color and it's Purple Storm. Now I've tried Bella Pierre eyeshadows before and I like them a lot. So if I can get this open. Here are the shades. So you get 2 metallics and then you get 2 matte shades. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch the metallic ones for you. Now I use this as well. It is creamy. It blends out amazing. I'm really happy with it. And they lasted all day on me. So here we go. Let me go ahead and wipe this off. Now I want you to see this. Look at how well this lipstick stays on. I mean, the only way to get this off is a good cleansing balm or cleansing oil, because you really have to scrub this if you don't use it, and that's not good for your lips. Goodness, do you see how long this is taking? All right, that's good enough. Okay, so a bad thing I did not like on here. This is the liquid eyeshadow Eye Candy, and it's in silver. Now, I shook this up like crazy, but this is extremely watery. I try to put it at the inner corner of my eye to get like a little silver pop because you don't need much color off of that. But it is watery as sin. So this was a fail for me. The next thing in this kit and the last thing is going to be a gel eyeliner. It is in black, and this one was okay. On the eye, you really have to go back and forth for the color to show up. So I used it in my waterline. I have it on today. And what I do with black liners is I put it at the outer corner of my lower lash line. And I like the effect it gives on my eyes. So we're just going to leave everything out here. So that was a bomb kit. I really liked it. Now we got another eyeshadow palette. This is by Okalon, and it's called the Sweet Color, and you get 16 eyeshadows with this. Now, I've tried their shadows before. I like them as well, but one warning. Thank God I was sitting down and this just fell on my lap, because if it would have hit the ground, I would have been crushed. And if you don't come out now, I swear, okay, look, comes out. So if you have this, be careful, because I don't want it to fall on the floor and then have you heartbroken that you don't get to use these shades, because they are amazing. So let me go ahead and show you these. Okay, the last thing you get in the box, and this is why I decided to choose the box. Now, one of my friends on here, she does videos as well. She did a sneak peek. She does spoilers on certain boxes, and she showed this one, and this is why I got the box. Now, this is by Rasha B Cosmetics, and it's the Beautiful 2 palette. Absolutely love the play on words. And these are all duochrome. Now, you're going to see by the colors, I've been playing with these hard. They are absolutely stunning. I am so impressed by these. So here they are. And I heard from Michelle that Rasha makes excellent quality palettes. So I can't wait to get more of her palettes because this really wowed me. This was the star of the box. Now I'm going to do swatches for you. I'm going to do the first, second, and third row. Here is the first row. The first shade is going to be the one closest to my wedding ring. But do you see how amazing these shadows are? So gorgeous. Second row. This is the third and final row. And now you can see why I got so excited about this palette. And I had to do the swatches for you because that would be a major fail if I did not do that for you, because these are so gorgeous. I'm so happy I have this palette. Like I said, you can tell how these are dipped into, that I have been using them like crazy, and they last as well, which is surprising. So the ones I have on my eyes, this one over here, the third one on the top row, is on my lower lash line. Then I have a mixture of these two over here, and these are the last 3 and 4 shades of the second row on my eyes. So I kind of have a blend of it on the inner corner part of my eyelid. So I'm gonna let you take a look. I went for kind of a peacock look, and I really like how it looks. Now I have used this as shadows. I have used this as eyeliners. I mean, absolutely breathtaking. One time I just had like a nude eye, and then I had this one over here, the third one on the second row, and I just winged it out, and I got so many compliments on it. And then I told them about this box, and I had so many other people subscribe to this for this palette. So I'm hoping that all these boxes that are going to be coming from now on are as amazing as this one here. So of course I'm going to be subscribing to this because this knocked my socks off. I was incredibly impressed by it. I mean, when I got this, usually I have a box, I put it to the side. I was like, all right, I'll play with it whenever I can. Soon as I opened this up, I was in it playing with it. I was on the floor, swatching them, trying it on my face, and I had so much fun with this box. There's absolutely no skincare. I mean, I have boxes that have skincare in it. That's not what this is. I mean, I absolutely love skincare, but it's nice to get a box with all makeup. And I like how everything goes with everything in this box. So it ties in very well. Some boxes, you have this weird item that doesn't fit the look at all. And this just combines perfectly. I mean, it was an amazing box. I haven't gotten excited about a box for a long time. I felt like a kid in a candy store, and that's a nice experience to get from a box. And for only $24, I mean, there are a lot of boxes out there. I'm subscribed to them, and they are expensive. And they have not got me this excited as this one did. I mean, for $24, you get 4 items over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items, and 3 of those are palettes. I can't say anything else about this. This is a bomb box. I am so glad that Michelle Martin got me onto this, and another friend that told me about it that really sealed the deal as well is Tina Bacon. She is my sister from another mother. She's absolutely wonderful. She is always looking out for me. And here I am touching my mic again. But with that, let me go ahead and end this video with my favorite time, your favorite time, fur baby time. Here is the Miss Princess Shug. She's sending all her hugs and kisses your way. I'm telling you, I read the comments that you write about her, and her head is getting so big that she can't even fit through the front door anymore. All right, guys, it is a pleasure as always to hang out with you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.